In this video, we will discuss creating point reports. Civil 3D has a few ways that you can report on points. Firstly, as we have discussed in the past, you can actually use the panorama window to select points, right-click, and then choose Edit Points. Any of the things that you see here, you can actually copy and paste to Excel. This is a common practice for all tabular type vistas. You simply right-click, choose Copy to Clipboard, and then in Excel, you can do a Control-V, and that pastes it in there. You can also look at your point groups and look at the pane down below here as well. One of the other really cool features is you can actually right-click on the point group and choose Export Points and use one of the point file formats to actually get out a point file that is comma or space separated. The Toolbox tab on the tool space is also where you do all your reporting. If you look here, we have a points category, and you can do a point list as well as radial stakeout. Let's look at this report type right here. This is the station offset to points. If you double click it, a dialog box will appear, allowing you to take an existing center line, and then using points, you can actually report on those points based upon station offsets of the center line. We'll go ahead and click Create Report, and then in your default browser, Civil 3D will show you the station offset and elevation for those points.